weekend watching Aquabike Jetski World Champions. My weekend watching Aquabike Jetski World Champions. After arriving the event area, we gathered with friends early in the morning. Though we were exploring the venue to search the food stand because we want to eat breakfast. After that, we saw the riders perform sharp turns. Then, when the performances are done, we watch another performance, namely a cultural performance featuring traditional Batak music and dance on a side stage. After that, we met a local aquabike participant and took a picture with him. At last, after we felt tired and we went home at 5:30 p.m. Overall, the view of Lake Toba was very scenic and are representing the unforgettable experience.